Alright, so what we discovered is probably maybe Ubuntu isn't the best thing to use for the Dell. They're finding that let's see, there's an issue possibly with the Dell server system. Okay, so we want to download that one, and it looks like it took me to the wrong page. Okay. So to try and download this one, it doesn't seem to want to let me download it. Okay, so there it is right here. Alright. Bionic Beaver. Horrible name, dude. Okay. So hopefully that one might work. I don't know. Had to find some other ones to try too. So we actually found a page here from Dell. It says all their supported operating systems. Why does it say BIOS? Red Hat, SUSE, VMware, Windows Server 2012, Citrix X and Server 6.5, Red Hat, Enterprise, Windows Server, Novell, SUSE, Windows Server. But they don't show Ubuntu. So I'm not sure about the rest of this stuff. Okay, I need to open Rufus here. We're gonna put our right in here. I'm using the oh man, what the hell? Okay. I'm using the DDR4 machine, the 8th generation i5 with 6 cores. Seems to be working pretty good. Okay, so we get this. So what I noticed is it's really quick on Rufus compared to before, like super fast. So anyway, we'll come back when it's done. It is definitely fast, but I don't want to sit here and watch it. Okay, so Rufus is done. Let's go pull the drive out. Come back over here to our Dell. All right. Okay. We got okay. We'll see if this works. Unable to import operating system configuration file. Okay. Cancel. Yes. Alright. We'll try this again. Deploy the OS. Next. Okay. Next. Next. Okay. Virtual disk name. Ham. Ham. Alright, next. Assign hot spare disk. If any modifications are applied, the virtual disk configuration is lost on all the virtual disk users. Continuous. Okay. Now I've tried a couple different situations here with BIOS and boot and UEFI. It's just, I don't know. So we had to originally see it's BIOS right here. Let's try BIOS. Next. Okay. I think it did that before last time, but I don't remember. Okay. What do we got here? Intended install. Sure, why not, right? Okay. This is where it's either going to work or not. Alright. Go back. We'll try manual install. Insert the following media, then click next. Alright. Okay. Doesn't like it, does it? Right. So I did get it to actually do something before, and it started to try and install, and it wouldn't do anything because it said it couldn't detect any hard drives. But I didn't try and do it through the life cycle thing or whatever it's called. This is definitely becoming a little more difficult than I thought it might be. I really just thought I would pop in Ubuntu and be like, okay, now what? Okay, F11. So I also have the Cisco server too. Maybe that one might be easier. I don't know. That's not what I wanted. I can see it scanning all the hard drives. Okay. If it goes to this life cycle thing, I'm not going to be able to do it. Last time I did this, and then Ubuntu popped up. It was like, yeah, it would give me that, and then it would be media test failure, check cable. Huh. But it did boot from the thing before. So. Okay. It wants to boot from the DVD-ROM, and it's like, there's no DVD-ROM. I don't know how to tell it to boot from the USB. F2. Alright, let me see. Virtual drives found. Virtual drives. Well, the virtual drive would have to be this stupid USB stick, because otherwise it'd be several. Or is that the controller that... Oh my god. Alright. Yeah, what a pain. I don't know how the hell it worked the one time. There's no option to like tell it to boot from the USB stick. This doesn't seem like it. Okay, I think I just saw something for USB. Okay. Initializing firmware interfaces. Come on. Booting. Oh, look, here we go. Okay, install Ubuntu server. Damn it! This thing's too fast for me. But it looks like it probably should have selected it. But the problem was, it did this before, and then it was telling me, no drives detected. Okay. There's some failures on here. I wasn't able to see what they are. It's like, oh, okay, yeah, you told me what failed, but you ran it so fast I couldn't see it. Okay, connecting. Okay, so we've seen this before. Okay. Please select your... Okay. Not connected, I don't know what am I looking at. Configure at least one interface the server can use to talk to other machines. Which is really fun. Well, then none of them are connected. What the fuck? Oh my god. What the hell am I supposed to do? You can't do anything with the mouse. Alright. We need to make sure that configure a guided layout or create custom one. Use entire disk. Okay, local disk is 5.455T. So that should be I wonder if I can't do anything. Okay. Alright, let me see. I'm trying to read this. Okay, so available devices. Ubuntu VG, so must be virtual. Boot, EFI. Okay. Okay. It looks okay. Okay. Select continue. We'll begin installing process result. Okay. Enter. Your name. Ham radio hack. Hack server. Pick a username. Oh my god, I really don't want to do this. I forgot you have to do all this crap. And so I'm just gonna name it ham radio hack everything. As long as it'll let me do that. Sometimes it doesn't. Click. You can choose to install Open SSH server package to enable secure remote access to your server. Enter yes. I sure don't want to have to do it otherwise. It says import SSH identity. You can import your SSH key. I don't know anything about this stuff. Okay, so it's seriously done. Okay. Okay. Failed unmounting lib. Could be pretty cool if it works, right? Imagine back in the day they had like no graphical user interface. Be kind of hard for, unless you're like really, really, savvy nowadays. But I mean, that's how everybody did it back then, all command line, which I guess is kind of a graphic. Okay, secure boot policy has been modified since the last time the system was started. Review secure boot policy, blah, 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 blah. Policy changes, otherwise modify secure boot policy as needed. Okay. Collecting system inventory. Okay. Booting. Oh, no. I've got the stick in here still. Oh my goodness. Okay. I pulled the stick out while that happened though. System restart is required. Let's just see. The system detected an exception during the UEFI pre-boot environment. Okay. So it might not have worked at all. I didn't think about having to remove the stick out of it, so that's possibly part of the issue. We'll see what it does this time. Frickin' slow. Come on. Enumerating. I didn't catch what it said. It's like it's slow, but it wants to read the information real fast. Sometimes. It's got to be getting close to doing something. Come on. Booting. Just booting. Cool. Booting from integrated RAID controller 1, Ubuntu. Okay. Oh, please tell me this thing's gonna work. Okay. Let me move this thing back so we can. Okay. Started cloud initial job. Pre-networking. Reach target network pre. Start network service. Start network service. Start network name resolution. Starting wait for network to be configured. Start network. Reaching target network. A start job is running for wait for network to be configured. 39 seconds. No limit, it says. Well, I didn't see anything really like say fail or anything. Everything said okay. So we'll have to see. Start loaded app armor. Okay, well, I'm gonna come back in a minute and finish cooking my damn food. I was in the middle of doing. Normally I'm used to waiting for Rufus to write really long time. Is this all? I mean, is it not fucking? What do you? I thought it gave you a graphical user interface. I don't know what the hell this is. So, see, login. I thought it was a graphical user interface. So does this mean the crap's running? Okay. It says login, generating locals. This might take a while. Done. Generating complete. No authorized SSH keys, fingerprints found. Begin fingerprints. Begin post keys. Blah blah blah. End SH key. So what the hell? Is this what it's supposed to do? I don't know what the hell to do now. Okay, so they shut down really fast. So I was pretty sure that this was supposed to be a graphic user interface, but what do I know? Let's go ahead and boot it again and see what happens. So I have to look it up to find out. Let me see here. This thing has got to be listening to me. Because, okay, so no, Ubuntu server does not have a graphical user interface by default. Okay. So it is installed. Well, I don't know what the hell to do with it, but yeah, okay, cool. So we have this thing on here, and we don't know what to do with it. And I really don't have any way to log into it. It's primarily designed to run without a graphical interface, making it lightweight. But you can install a GUI on it if you need by choosing a desktop environment like GNOME or XFCE through the command line. Show me how. Okay. Well, let's see. Ask Ubuntu how to run Ubuntu server with a GUI. Alright. Okay, so I'm on the Ubuntu page, and it says to add the desktop UI environment to Ubuntu, install the server variety. You'll need to install some packages from the internet. Run these commands to install the desktop environment. Oh my god, now I gotta sit here and wait for all this bullshit. Okay. So this could take quite a while. Well, now it wants to log in. Woo, some fancy shit there, buddy. What the hell? That ain't right. Incorrect login. Yeah. Thank God. Okay. Welcome to Ubuntu. System information as of February 13th, system load. Usage. So this is pretty cool. Okay, so I might have not seen this because I was out of the room. The program include with Ubuntu system are free software. Ubuntu comes with absolutely no warranty. To run a command as administrator, use sudo. What? Okay, I don't understand what you're saying. Okay, so they're saying to run any command as administrator, use root. Okay. Use sudo command, c man sudo root for details. Okay, I will try what they are talking about. Sudo apt get update. Okay, so the typical apt. I'll make sure. Apt get update. Alright. Okay. Hey, Lord. Alright. Error. Temporary failure. Resolving. Failed to fetch distro release. Okay. Sudo apt get install Ubuntu desktop. Okay. apt dash get install Ubuntu, let's see, dash desktop. Okay. Ooh-wee, look at that. Okay. I cannot even see that. Upgraded, 11130 and newly installed. Need to get 610 megabyte of archives after separation. Of additional disk space will be used. Do you want to continue? Yes. I love watching this stuff. That's a lot of stuff running. That looks like a ton of errors too. So, let's see the ER. I don't know. We might have a problem. I don't know what's going on. I thought we were successful, but now I'm starting to think probably not. But I cannot read this. It's moving so fast. I'm gonna have to put this server on the kilowatt after I get everything set up. My new computer is actually drawing quite a bit of power. Okay, what do we get here? Failed to fetch. Unable to fetch some archives. It says maybe run apt get update or try with fix missing. Sudo fix missing. I don't know if that works. No command found. Okay. So no such luck here, buddy. All right. Okay, so I don't know. So we had a failure on sudo apt get update. Okay. So it said maybe run apt get update or try with fix missing. I don't know what to do at this point. So, I would have to try something else because I'm not gonna run this thing like this. I don't know. I have to have a graphic user interface. I don't have to, but I want one. And if I can't get it to work on this, yeah, I don't know why it's not working. Okay. Okay. I found something else. And let's see. Install graphic user interface on Ubuntu server 18.04. Okay, so it's completely different. Let me see if I can. There you go. Okay, so Ubuntu. Easiest way is to use the task style command. Okay. Sounds complicated. Huh. Okay. Well, we'll try what they got posted on here. Alright. We'll try it. Let's look at this thing. Okay, so task cell dash dash list dash task. Let's see what happens. What? Oh my god. Um, well, God, I don't know, man. TASK. TASKSEL. Make sure I got it correctly. It looks like a space dash dash list. This is what I don't like about command line stuff. And it's still not found, man. Command task not found, but can be installed with sudo apt get installed. I have no mouse. Ah, man. Okay. Sudo apt install TAS K SEO. Wow, that worked. Maybe reading package done. Building dependency tree. Following packages will be installed. Following packages will be installed. 0 upgraded. 3 newly installed. We need 4.2 kilobytes archived after the separation. Yes. Okay. What the it fails every time, man. Okay, so error temporary failure resolving. Okay. Failed to fetch. Unable to fetch. Okay. I'm really getting tired of this thing. I think maybe the internet connection to this thing isn't good or something. I don't know what's going on. Okay. apt get update. Could not open lock file. Don't know. It's not working. I don't know what's up with it. So, anyway, that's it for me, guys. It's installed, but something's wrong, so I don't know what to do at this point. And I got other crap I want to do, like go to bed.